How often do I need to perform maintenance on my Ford 2.0 EcoBoost engine?
Hey there, Ford 2.0 EcoBoost engine owners. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the maintenance schedule for your beloved engine. Keeping up with regular maintenance is crucial to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle. So, let's dive right in.
What does Ford recommend?
When it comes to maintaining your Ford 2.0 EcoBoost engine, Ford provides specific guidelines to follow. It's always a good idea to refer to your owner's manual for the most accurate information regarding maintenance intervals and procedures. However, here are some general recommendations from Ford. Oil change. Ford typically suggests an oil change for the 2.0 EcoBoost engine every 7,500 to 10,000 miles or approximately every 6 to 12 months, depending on your driving conditions and habits. Air filter. It is advisable to inspect and potentially replace the engine air filter every 30,000 to 45,000 miles or every 3 years. Spark plugs. Ford generally recommends inspecting and replacing the spark plugs in your 2.0 EcoBoost engine every 100,000 miles or approximately every 6 years. Coolant. The coolant in your engine should be checked regularly for proper levels and condition. Ford recommends a complete coolant replacement every 100,000 miles or every 10 years, whichever comes first.
Additional maintenance considerations.
While following Ford's recommendations is essential, there are a few other maintenance tasks to keep in mind to ensure your Ford 2.0 EcoBoost engine remains in top shape. Transmission fluid. It is important to check your transmission fluid regularly and adhere to the recommended change intervals provided in your owner's manual. This helps maintain smooth gear shifting and overall transmission performance. Brake fluid. Brake fluid should be checked periodically, and it is typically recommended to replace it every 2 to 3 years to ensure optimal brake system functionality. Tire maintenance. Proper tire maintenance, including regular rotations, alignment checks, and inflation adjustments, contributes to improved fuel efficiency and extends the life of your tires. Battery care. Keep an eye on your battery's health, checking for corrosion and ensuring secure connections. If you notice any issues, have it tested and replaced if necessary. Remember, these additional maintenance tasks may vary depending on your specific driving conditions and mileage. Always consult your owner's manual and consult with a qualified technician if you have any doubts or concerns. Maintaining your Ford 2.0 EcoBoost engine is crucial for its longevity and performance. Following Ford's recommendations for oil changes, air filter replacements, spark plug inspections, and coolant replacements is essential. Additionally, don't forget to consider other maintenance tasks like transmission fluid changes, brake fluid replacements, tire care, and battery maintenance. By staying on top of your maintenance schedule and addressing any issues promptly, you can enjoy the full potential of your Ford 2.0 EcoBoost engine for years to come. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.